As kids, we often hear about fairy tales, but now I'm living one. So let's begin. एक होता राजा, एक होती राणी, आणि ही आहे त्यांची प्रेम कहाणी.
So one day I just got a notification that Ishan Gupte wants to follow you. And for some reason, I just kept looking at that notification for almost like 5 minutes and I quickly accepted it. That must be like the fastest follow request I must have ever accepted. And then when I saw his picture, I was like, he's cute. If I have to define love in just one word, it would be Ishan.
I pray for you before I go out. You might.
I mean, there is this rumor about love at first sight, and that was exactly what happened there. And but I had this conception that someone as beautiful as her, very poised, she might be a bit snobby, but then as soon as the aarti started and then we were all doing the aarti, and after I did the aarti, I passed on the plate to Prajakta, and then she took the plate and started singing the aarti as if she knew it all. And that's when I knew that it's not just the looks and everything. She has the same kind of upbringing and family values. So, and she was very, very grounded. So that after that entire experience, I knew that this girl is really special, and that is what attracted me to her.
The way you love, it changes who I am undone, and I think I once again. Oh, I can't believe it's true sometimes. Oh, I can't believe it's true. Jaan ban gaya tu.
Our very first date, we met in Soho House. It was during sunset, and
We had clear skies, and Soho House being in Juhu, right next to the beach.
the colors of the sky they were just beautifully turning into like orange, pink, and then purple.
And the conversations were so nice that it just felt the perfect setting, and that memory will be like etched in my mind.
And that's when I looked at him and I just kept looking at him. And that's when I realized that, my God, I really like him.
That is where I was I really knew call it intuition or whatever, that that this person is the one that I want to spend my life with.
And when she was delivered, when Prajakta came into this beautiful world, I saw her and I said, "Wow, Lakshmi घर पे आ गई."
और वो रियली मतलब लक्ष्मी ही घर बन के घर पे आ गई. मतलब वो जिस दिन से हमारे घर पे आई ना, हम लोगों ने कभी भी पीछे मुड़ के नहीं देखा.
Forever I do. Jaan ban gaya.
So I think like you can say that our story started at Ganpati when I met Ishan for the first time, and we had a very brief conversation.
As soon as she entered, she was wearing this very, very beautiful golden and ivory outfit, and I just couldn't keep my eyes off her. And त्यानंतर ती आत आली आणि ती सगळ्यांना भेटली, आणि the way she interacted with everyone made everyone feel so nice, and that itself gave me goosebumps.
Something about Prajakta. I think Prajakta has such a lovely and electric personality, and I think that complements Ishan so well. Like Ishan is more subdued and calm, and I feel like Prajakta she has such an energy. She fills every room she enters.
My life for the past 21 years has been on autopilot. Everything, starting from my clothes or the restaurants I go to, everything is planned by my sister. And now, I guess there will be a responsibility upon me to do these things, which I guess I never thought about.
वही जितना ईशान हैंडसम है उतनी प्राजक्ता ब्यूटीफुल है. अभी कौन कितना हैंडसम कौन कितना ब्यूटीफुल उसका मापदंड ही नहीं दे सकते, दोनों सेम ही है.
¿Quién eres tú? ¿Dónde has estado? He removido cielo y tierra y no te encontré. Y das sentido a toda mi vida con tu querer.
ना मैं समझा ना मैं जाना जो भी तुमने मुझसे कहा है सेन्योरिटा, मगर फिर भी ना जाने क्यों मुझे सुन के अच्छा लगा है सेन्योरिटा.
No desvíes la mirada, quédate cerca de mí.
मुझको बाहों में तुम घेरो, समझी ना सेन्योरिटा.
चाहत के दो पल भी मिल पाए, दुनिया में ये भी कम है क्या, दो पल को तो आओ खो जाए, भूले हम होता हम है क्या.
With her by my side, it just calms me down and just puts me in such a happy place that mentally and physically I feel like super relaxed.
I can say that, with Ishan, it's nothing different. It's like we are just ourselves. And that is something I think which is like really special about us, because we do not really have to pretend or be cautious about anything. We are just us.
One look at you, my heart falls in line. I pray for you before I go out.
I will promise to keep her happy for the rest of her life, and I will do everything I can to keep her happy.
If it's true, sometimes, oh, I can't believe it's true.
Ishan, I really, really, really love you so, so much. You're like the most special person to me in this whole world. And I promise that we're gonna have a very, very beautiful life and grow old together.
रूह को सांस देता है तो
आज हम दोनों भी इतने खुश हैं कि हमने दोनों ने और उसको भी बोला था हमें लड़की को रुला के अपने घर से नहीं भेजना है. सो हैप्पीली हम उसको विदा करेंगे. इमोशंस तो हर एक के साथ रहेंगे.
All parents will look forward in their life कि अपने बच्चे की शादी हो, अच्छा सेटल हो, and fortunately हमारा वो टाइम आ गया है. Our son is getting married, so we are very excited. And नई बहू आने वाली है.
I mean, she's from the family. बहू हमारी खुद, it's such a wonderful
nice
person.
feeling, and our
It's
son
a
has
wonderful person.
ऐसा अच्छा लगता है कि अपना लड़का अभी इंडिपेंडेंट बन गया है. He's going to be a
Yeah, he's going to
married
take charge
man.
of his life.
Yeah, so it's a different
जा
feeling.
बन गया तो जा बन गया तो
क्या बोलते हैं, रिश्ते हेवन में बन के होते हैं, खाली जमीन पे उनका ये होता है. इट्स लाइक दैट, दे आर मेड फॉर ईच अदर maybe God
And
has
you know,
destined.
many of their tastes are similar. When they talk about, for example, they are both designers.
Yes.
And you know, they have such a nice
common
सौंदर्य
thing.
दृष्टि जिसको बोलते हैं,
Yeah.
you know, that sense of beauty, वो harmony, वो उनका वो अलग है. When they talk to each other about things and you know about design, it's a pleasure to hear them.
To say sorry even if it's not my fault, still do.
Sometimes I can't believe it's true. जहाँ बन गया तू है दुआओं का पैगाम तू जहाँ बन गया तू.
He's a good boy, very humble, honest, creative है उसमें, loving है. यानी जितना रिस्पेक्ट अभी मैंने उन्हें 4-5 बार जो मिले हम लोग, जितना रिस्पेक्ट वो अपने फादर मदर को दे रहे हैं, उतना ही रिस्पेक्ट हम दोनों को दे रहे हैं. No tips, just we love you all. We are always there for you. God bless you.
As we went to their house and met her, so we obviously liked her very much. A very sweet, simple girl and loving girl. So हम लोग
And
को
you
बहुत
know,
अच्छा
she is
लगा.
someone who can take
Yes.
charge. So जो whatever is assigned to her, she does the proper homework. And you know, when we went to select her engagement ring, she already, you know, had studied what kind of material, what kind of a diamond would she
Yes,
like.
like her interest and her
And
curiosity.
yeah, and the
उसमें है, small
I mean, the
things.
jeweler was so surprised that you know already so much and you already you're sorted, kind of, you know.
I'll choose. Forever I'm yours. Forever I do. जहाँ बन गया तू, जहाँ बन गया